Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Tasmia Sharif. This is my video presentation for requirement engineering and software modeling. This is the project background. The name of my project is Mind Care Center Customer Relationship System. The domain of the project is UTM's spin-off companies. The system stakeholders are customers, admin, and the therapist. To focus on the project detail, first of all, I would like to say Mind Care System, which is one of the UTM's spin-off companies. It offers occupational therapy, speech therapy, psychological therapy, and human health services. The software product is Mind Care Center Customer Relationship, which seeks to help and treat systematic business approach with customers. The previous system is currently being run manually, but the new system is not a manual system, and that will conclude late and efficient response as this that one was manual. So, in implementing this system, we will get more out to the customer and be more sorted with better performance and time efficiency. So our today's video objectives are discussing about my case diagram, case specification, activity diagram, and lastly I will show the prototype and my self-reflection. This is the module of automated inquiry. This is the subsystem of my use case specification. The name of my use case specification is reply to customer inquiry. Here, customers, admin, and therapists are the actors. The description shows the system will generate standard auto reply messages with several chat drop down options. The customer can select any of the questions they have about the therapy services offered from Mindcare. The chatbot will reply automatically. So, the preconditions are the users must have an registered account and the system must have a database named customer database. Also, the system need to have a FAQ database, which is frequently asked question database. The post condition is every customer when they do inquiry, the data will be saved in the database. The normal flow, if we focus on the normal flow, it shows the system will provide frequent questions and the customer will select it from any of the question, and after that the chatbot will reply automatically. The alternative flows are, if the system cannot show what the customer wants, then the system will show an option which is chat with admin. So the customer can chat with admin. If the admin is unavailable, it will show an error message. If the customer wants to talk with the therapist, the admin will contact to the therapist. If the therapist is not available, then it will show another error message. These error messages are the exception flows. This is the requirements and the priorities. This is the activity diagram based on the case specification, and this is my prototype name. So let's move to the prototype. I did the prototype using Figma. Let's run it. So this is the home page of Mindcare system. This is the login page. We can contact them, we can know their address and about them. So if we are customers, then we have to log in. Also, if we are from admin or therapist, we need to log in. So let's click on login. Here they shows three options: patient, admin, and therapy. So first of all, I would like to act like a patient first. So let's click on the patient. So I will have username and password for the patient, but if I am a new user, then I will click want to log in as a new user. As I am not a new user, I will give my username and password and then log in. So I want to make an inquiry. So let's click on the inquiry. So here are the therapy details. They offer physical health, mental health, and others. So I will go for the mental health. Now the system is showing me some options which is related to my mental condition. First of all, may I know the therapy detail? Do you have experience working with the type of issue I am facing? Can I see the background of the therapist? I want to know the opening time and the closing time. How can I book an appointment to check up where I need to come? Actually, these are some silly and these are some questions that always customer wants to know, but there will be more questions. So first of all, I want to know the therapy detail, so I have messaged them, and this is the message that chatbot replied automatically. This is a morning therapy. You need to come to our center at 8 p.m., 8 a.m. You need to bring all the medical files and others. If I want to know more about, ask more questions, then it will look like this. So I have uh, now I have asked, can I see the background of the therapist? Then they have sent the link. Click here to see the therapist profile. So this is the therapist profile. This is the first one, the therapy detail and her here her picture. And then if I don't want to contact with her, I want to contact with them. I can also, they will show several options. Those therapists are available that time. Then I will go to the back option, and I think that the questions are not enough for me, then I can use chat with admin. Now, this is a profile that I can chat with admin. I will state my problem here. If I cannot, I want to speak with the admin, then I can call the admin, talk with admin. If the admin is not available, it will show a message like this: we are currently unavailable. Please notify the admin by leaving a message. I can type the message here that I want to inquiry for, and then can submit. So that was all for the patient one. Now, if I am a person from admin side, I am the PIC, then I will click on admin. This is the login system of admin. So I will use my username and password. If I had forgot the password, it will show like this, and then I will log in. So this is the front page for the admin one. See the new inquiries from the patients. If I click on this, see, if the patient fills the box, then I will get the username and the inquiries. Want to ask that I can I have personal treatment? So this detail can be sent to the therapist. Alright, if I click to here, it will be sent to the therapist. And then if we go back, and then if we see go to see the new calls from patients, if I cannot receive the calls, so the calls should be saved in the document. See the last number, the recent calls from the username. So now, if I had picked the call, I can connect the call with the therapist if the customer needs. The customer needs. Okay. If I cannot find the therapist, chat with therapist, then the therapist will reply like this: the therapist is not currently available. Then I will say to the customer, then please wait, we will contact you soon. All right. So if someone calls me randomly, if one customer calls me randomly, then it will appear like this: the username, and username is calling me. So if I want to accept the call, I can accept, or if I want to reject the call, I can reject. If I want to connect the call with the therapist, I will click on this. All right. So for the now the last one, I will go for the therapist. So now I am a therapist, and this is my login page. I will log in with my username and password, and then log in. And this is the home page of my login system for therapist. So first of all, if someone is calling from the admin side, it will appear like admin is calling you. Talk with the username who want to call, who is with. Uh, this is the when admin will call me, it will appear like admin is calling you, talk with the username. So this is the patient name and admin is talking with the patient, and now he wants me to join the call. So if I want to join the call, I will accept the call or I will reject the call. Otherwise, I can also see the new inquiries like this one, the patient username and inquiries, what inquiry she or he wants to know from me. I can reply here. So that was all for the prototype system. Now let's move to my self-reflection. In phase one, we all tried to fix the features that we wanted to apply in new system. I gave new ideas and I helped to write all the new details. In phase two, I tried to fix the use case specifications with activity diagram, which was totally new for all of us. I tried to help each other. We try to help each other. In phase three, we worked with subsystem and we wrote the whole use case system in detail. To conclude, in every phase we learned something new. After doing the case study, we have learned how to do the use case diagram, how to do the use case specification. We fixed the system's preconditions and post conditions. Also, all the new features are divided into the basis of priority, which is totally a new learning for us. Lastly, I will say the whole course was full of new things. I have gained soft skills by working with my teammates. We helped each other in every situation. The main challenging thing was to get the solution of the case study, which was interesting, and I hope that it will help me to understand the requirements that a software developer must know to build any project. That's all from my side. Thank you.